It was a beautiful morning. A little girl saw two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. She named one bird as Peter and another bird as Paul. She watched Peter fly away first. Then Paul flew away. Not long after that, Peter came back and sat on the wall. Then Paul also came back and sat beside Peter. Later, Peter flew away again. Paul followed Peter. When Peter came back to the wall, Paul also came back. The little girl saw the two birds fly away and come back again and again. The next day, the little girl saw only Paul coming back. However, Peter was nowhere to be seen. Moral of the story: following your friend is good for a certain time, but not for all the time.